Kind of links are internal links are the links where you are connecting the link with the current page only. And then the local link is the link where you are linking the text, images, words, phrases to another page on the same web page or the website. Then the global link is a link where you are connecting to a page on a different website. So we will see now how we are going to achieve this and what is the tag which we are using to achieve this. So the tag which we are using to achieve this is the anchor tag. So anchor tag is written with the help of the angle brackets and a. So a where you are anchoring it, and with that we are using another attributes, that is the href. Now href is nothing but it is hypertext reference. What is href? It is the hypertext reference. Now how we are going to actually write? So for example, in the web page we are having a word, say for example, click here. So this is a hyperlink. Now hyperlink, they usually come in the light blue color with an underline in it. Now this light blue color will come when we are actually putting it inside the tag, which like anchor tag. So here we will write down anchor tag. We will write down like a, then href, href. There we will write down the source file. So the source file can be like, say for example, second html. This is my file name, and then I close the angle bracket. Then I write down the word which is my hypertext, like click here, and then I close the tag with this. Let's see an example of the same. So here we have this HTML program file where you are seeing the questions, and click here, which is a hyperlink the moment I am keeping the mouse on this particular link. So we are going to the next question. Again, when I have to go back to the question page, so I just got an error. So for that you have to give the file name, the name which is there, you have created it. So I will make the changes here. So that is question.html, and save the file. So when I execute this particular file, so I see my page here. So click here, go back to the question page. So I am not toggling between the two pages. So this pages is situated in the local disk only. So this is a local referencing happening. So let's see the code behind it. Now as you can see, these hovering colors has been determined here. So a hover is orange color, and when the link is active it will be turning into blue color, otherwise the red color. So this is again another aspect which we have to understand, that what are the different link colors. So what are the different status? Basically the position of the links on the web pages. The links are the like the normal links, which we say standard link. Then there is a link which is visited. A link is in a state of visited state. So they are the different states of links. Then there are a active link. Active is another state of a link. And another time which we are actually hovering the mouse on over the link. So that is at the hover status. So basically these are the status or state. So these are the two states, or 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 states where you will find the links are in. And to define these states, the code which is working behind is just like that. Here with the CSS element, we will put a colon link and then we'll put the color. If it is visited, so we will use the keyword visited. If it is hover, color. So whatever color which we give, say for example, if we give here, say interchange it with red, and here if we are giving it with the orange, so we should see the change. We save the file here again, and then let's close this particular page and we click on the questions. So when we are hovering here, you can see the red color. So this is how we can give our own color shades to this. But by default on our web page, basically we are seeing the blue color. So let's see a live web page, for example a Google page where I can go and check out something, a website, say for example a commercial website. So how does it look here? So this is the color which is already visited, so they are using it as a blue color, and the others are, you can see the color shades, a different shade of blue, and here it is purple. This is already a visited site, so this site has been already visited, so it is coming in a different purple shade, and this is the blue color. So these are the links. So these are the global links where I am connecting to a different website entirely from Google. I am going to a different website. So this is a very good example. The Google browser page, the browser engine page in itself is carrying all the hyperlinks with the global category, under the global category. So if we see Wikipedia, there you will see internal links a lot. Say for example any page, like for example if I want to know country, any kind of a country, say Australia or something like that, so some any word, if we are looking in it, so you can see these hyperlinks, okay, appearing. They will take me somewhere down, they will give me a pretext, or it will take me to some other section of the same website. So here you will find the examples of local links and the global links. So this is full of this category thing. So now to recapitulate, the internal links are of three kinds: the internal, local, global. How do we define them? With the anchor tag, which is a, denoted by the word a, and href is ka attribute, which is the hypertext reference, and with that we have to give a file name which we are using here. So this is where we finish the